Welcome to Cimlogic. We are a digital manufacturing services and solutions company based here in the UK, and we work with some of the world's largest manufacturers. We work with them on their journeys from where they are today towards their goals of being a smart manufacturer or having smart factories. So, how do we do this? Let me explain. We believe that before you can truly have a smart factory, you first need to have a really good factory. Trying to jump straight from where you are today to the end goal of being smart would be a little bit like buying an Alexa for your home before you have Wi-Fi. We typically hear things from our clients like they're struggling with issues around cost of goods, capacity, quality and compliance, on time in full and new product introduction. But the main thing to remember when trying to solve these problems is not to get stuck in the technology. Manufacturing is more than just the shop floor. You need to look wider than the make space. So here at Cimlogic, we provide the systems and integrations that are required as the core of a manufacturing digital transformation. Solutions and services from SCADA and MES through to what we call predictive manufacturing using artificial intelligence and machine learning. We're on a mission to enable manufacturing to catch up with the consumer world on digital transformation. The technology is available to all. We are here to help you reap the rewards. So, if you're looking to start your journey towards a smart factory, or you're already on that road and you need some help, then give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.